Today, let's take you to see the whole manufacturing process of brand new DN273 hot-dip galvanized pipes and experience the craftsmanship and dedication reflected in every production procedure. These are raw black steel pipes before treatment. After inspection, black pipes are conveyed into the enclosed treatment workshop. The first procedure is pickling. Black pipes are soaked in pickling tanks to remove loose rust and contaminants on pipe surfaces. Then comes the first water rinsing to tentatively wash residual acid off the black pipes. The second water rinsing is designed to clean the black pipes more thoroughly, ensuring no residual acid or impurities are left behind. Then the pipes move to the flux coating process. Rinsed black pipes are immersed in flux solution, and after sufficient soaking and chemical reaction, a flux film forms on the outer surface of black pipes. The flux film prevents missing galvanization and helps generate a more uniform and compact zinc coating during the subsequent galvanizing operation. Next, black pipes are sent into the drying furnace to evaporate moisture inside and outside the pipes. To avoid zinc splashing in the following hot galvanizing step, immediately afterwards, pipes are dipped into molten zinc, and molten zinc swiftly wraps around the black steel pipes, forming a dense zinc coating on the steel surface. Internal and external air-blowing equipment is adopted to blow off excess molten zinc inside and outside pipes for a smoother and flatter zinc coating finish. After air natural cooling, galvanized pipes are put into cooling tanks for water quenching. Timely cooling enables a bright silvery white finish on galvanized pipe surfaces. Then the online passivation equipment carries out passivation treatment for galvanized steel pipes. Processed hot-dip galvanized pipes develop a passivation film on their surfaces, which greatly improves the corrosion resistance of zinc coating. After final quality inspection and packing, the production of hot-dip galvanized pipes is finished. Such is the complete production flow of hot-dip galvanized steel pipes. Beside the busy high-efficiency production line of DN273 galvanized pipes, neatly stacked finished DN325 hot-dip galvanized pipes are manufactured under equally stringent technical standards. Every tiny dimension bears witness to our persistent pursuit of quality. Crafted with rigorous manufacturing techniques, we strive to supply high-quality brand new hot-dip galvanized pipes for customers.